Hello everyone, I am Varsha. Welcome back to my channel Visuals by Varsha. I have created this beautiful calligraphy artworks using just Dom's pastel brush pens. First I will show you the final pieces with quotes and then we will go step by step, starting with simple soft backgrounds and finishing with elegant calligraphy on top. Let's get started. So for the first background, I'm starting with doodling a battery and then I will use pastel brush pens to fill it with colors. And after this, it's time to add calligraphy. For the second background, I'm using all the shades. Here I'm drawing vertical lines and we'll do this till this paper is completely filled with colors. It's time to add calligraphy. I'm writing, you will never regret being kind. You can write whatever you feel writing. For the third background, we are doing horizontal swatches. These are pastel shades, so writing over it will look very beautiful. So you can pick any shade you want and do this swatching. Now here I'm writing, you are my favorite person. Again, you can choose your quote and write over it. For the fourth background, I'm using two shades only, yellow and green, and I'm drawing a pineapple shape and I will be writing quote related to that. I will not be using proper calligraphy for writing this quote. I will use my lettering style and just randomly write words to fit this shape. And that's it. Four simple yet elegant background with calligraphy on top. I hope that inspire you to try with your own brush pens. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section which background was your favorite. Thank you for watching.